central banks that were higher for longer, suddenly how fast do we need to cut? I mean, you've got central bank after central bank that was, again, higher for longer, now saying, not only do we need to cut rates, we have to cut rates on an accelerated schedule. Even the Federal Reserve did that. The Fed did a 50 basis point rate cut in September. Now they kind of regret it because it appeared panicky, but the reason they did it was because they saw the same things that everybody else did, including what we see in Europe and Canada and everywhere else. So central bankers that are beginning to accelerate their rate cut schedules, they're doing that for a very specific reason. And it's not because the economy of 2023 survived through 2024. Things have definitely shifted. The fact that you can put, you can put a optimistic case together using the payroll report in the US or GDP or some other statistics doesn't actually seem, it doesn't make it as much of a difference as it sounds like. A single monthly payroll report doesn't change the overall trajectory of where things are actually heading. And you can see that in data, you can see that in markets, not stocks, of course, bond markets, curves, and things like that. And you can see that in the behavior of central banks. It's not what the central bankers say, it's what they actually do. So Jay Powell says the economy is just fine, it's on solid footing, but yet they cut rates by 50 basis points and they're going to cut more. So at the very least, they're not as confident as they appear about where things actually stand.